Hey guys, so today I want to talk about PayPal stock, and one of the main reasons why I want to touch base on this stock is because of the crazy way they've been moving over the last few days, and because I know investors want to have some clarity on what might be happening with this play. So I'm going to present you a few scenarios of what I think will be happening, and you guys can create your own decision based on that. So the first thing that I'm seeing here on PayPal are some very clear levels of resistance and support. We've traded this stock in the past, and since then, not much has changed. We're still seeing a very strong base at around $170, and this is where the price hasn't been able to break down from. But right now, we're talking about all-time highs at around 210, and this was the level that I identified in my previous video on PayPal as the level where if they come up above this, we will be seeing some long-term continued bull action here, and that's exactly what we've been getting from PayPal stock ever since we came above the 210. So right now we're seeing them above the 210 and holding very well. But what's concerning a lot of investors is the way they're trading up and down on a daily basis. And if you ask me, I haven't seen them really doing this. I saw them start doing this actually when they announced the news with Bitcoin, and when they announced that they were going to allow Bitcoin to start trading on their platform. Unfortunately, it sent the stock into kind of in a period of uncertainty, and that's not what a lot of investors like to see, and especially traders like me that do options don't like to see a lot of uncertainty in the market because it makes contract prices fluctuate and become spread out. So that's never good for traders. So personally, I've been off of PayPal. I haven't been trading them too well, but I have been keeping an eye on the chart here. So like I said, I'm watching for them to be staying above this 210 level. That's going to be the most critical level that I can see right now for the stock, because it is the breakout moment, the previous places where the highs were on the stock, and what is going to give us a clear sign that we are still in an upwards direction. So that's the price that I'm really watching to tell us whether PayPal is a buy or a sell at the moment. And right now you can see that we are well above the 210 and holding at around 217. So that's going to give me a clear indication that we are in an upwards direction. Now, what am I looking for to either enter a new trade or leave my old one? Like I said, if I was already in a trade, 210 would be the level that tells me very obviously where we are headed. If we are headed down below 210, then yes, I would sell out of a long-term position. I think we are going to head back down again. But if we are able to push above these highs of today at around 218.50, that's where I will be actually looking to open a new trade to the upside on PayPal for around the 220 strike. I'm looking for 1 or 2 months of time because I think that this company might have some more problems pushing up past this level with the amount of uncertainty we've seen over the last few days. But I really think that it is a strong company, and like Square, I feel like it's one of those companies that can grow infinitely with the amount of businesses that do use PayPal and do use online transactions. So that's why I think companies like PayPal and Square really do have a bright future ahead of them and have room to continue growing, even though they might be up 100 or 200%. So don't sleep on PayPal, guys. I think they have a lot more room for growth, even though they are sitting at the highs. I know a lot of people who would look to add a new position in PayPal at these highs. So my recommendation is to wait until we see around 218.50, which will be a confirmation that we are still in an uptrend because we are beating the highs of the day. Then 220 would be the next level that I'm watching because it's such a mental level for traders. If you see that round 20 in your account, you're going to be a lot more likely to hold than if you're just seeing 217. So that's why I think 220, if we are above that price, there's going to be a lot more traders holding for the long term. So that's the next price that I'm hoping PayPal can reach if I am going to add to my long-term position on this company. But for now, I'm looking for 218.50 to really be an indicator of what direction we're heading in. And if we are below 212, then I will be looking for some puts and try to make a short-term profit on PayPal. So that's my outlook right now on the company. What trades I'm probably going to be setting up this week and next week on PayPal. So just keep a close eye out on those prices because those will be the critical prices to watch over the next few days on PayPal and in deciding whether this stock can continue to the upside or whether we might see another retest of these lows around 180 or 170. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is one of my favorite stocks. So if you are a long-term investor, there's no reason to stop holding the company unless you are scared and you are buying it around 210. Then I would sell out if you see it go below 210. But if you are a long-term investor at 170, 180, 200 even, I would not worry about your position. I would still hold it for the long run. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to stay updated with our trades on a daily basis, don't forget to click down in the description below for the Discord link. Completely free plays and signals every single day. And also, if you want to trade on the platform that I'm showing you right now, tradingview.com for completely free and help support the channel. That's going to be linked down in the description as well to sign up for free. So as always, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for the support lately, for liking the videos, for subscribing, and I hope all your trades are in the green.